It's Terry here from the Customer Success Team, and today I want to share with you one of my favorite features using Advanced Search. Have you ever tried to find a task or comment in Asana and you can't quite remember which project it lives in? Advanced Search can help with that. You can use Advanced Search to locate any task or conversation you have access to across projects and teams. For example, let's say we're looking for some context about a customer account. We remember it had to do with the customer's renewal and that Daniela and Ray were following the discussion. There are lots of criteria we can filter by. We can even search for tasks due within a certain date range or with a specific custom field value. You can also use Advanced Search to create and save simple reports, like a list of all tasks assigned to your teammates due in the next 7 days. I use Advanced Search whenever I need to quickly find something in Asana, so the next time you're looking for something, try it out.